Yeah, I didn't notice. Yesterday when I had this time, I don't know. You mean inside out, not upside down? Inside out, yeah. Upside down is still on. Maybe yesterday I was too tired to
Okay lang mag-video ko, ma'am.
see my t-shirt is inside or outside. I saw Marot.
So what did you say about hair?
Many stuff because I've been living in Bohol near
this one, this place.
This place.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful,
Ah,
and then I'm happy to this weather.
wow.
Not too hot, not raining, and then great day for trekking.
Oh. Very nice. Na view dia oh. Yung sapa na zigzag, yung zebra. Yung na G river. In Tagalog, ilog. Ilog. How about in Japan? More buildings.
Huh? Japan what?
How about Japan's mini like view, mini view?
Yeah,
More-
actually, there are many like these places. It's very close to Philippines, but the different is the plants. In Japan it's four-season country, so the different plants you can see. But we don't see any coconut trees in Japan.
No coconut.
No coconut or no palm trees.
But there was a lake.
Yeah, we have many
Like that.
many islands, and just like the Philippines. Maybe Japan's mainland bigger than Luzon or Mindanao, but that's it.
So you told me before you live in Philippines in 10 years.
I'm in Bohol maybe nearly 10 years, and then in Cebu 5 years.
In Cebu 5 years.
Before I moved into Bohol, I lived in Cebu City.
You live in Bohol in Loon,
Yes.
right?
Yes. But during COVID, I couldn't come back to Philippines because government didn't allow us to come back. So I spent 3 years in Japan.
During COVID.
Yeah. I'm so frustrated because I really wanted to come back here, but just can't be helped.
Wala daw ang lubi sa kanila.
Wala nga.
Now I know.
Sa Korea din. Sa Korea, wala din.
Sa Korea?
Tagal din ako sa Korea. Walang lubi-lubi doon.
Lubi. Pero banana, meron.
Wala din.
Wala din. Yan, may mga lubi dyan. Wala nang nagtira. Wala nang tumira.
Wala mang lubi.
Sabi niya eh.
Doon mang puro building.
Oo, maraming building.
Ito kay wala mang building doon. Hardest part ni mo.
So malapit ka lang sa sa rice terraces.
Oo. Napuntahan na rin yan.
Yung ginawa naman ginawa ng tourist spot ba?
Lala man yan. Nakarating na dun sa Ifugao.
Yan?
Dito.
Yung
Aking banat.
yung mister.
Ay, dili.
Yung bana lagi nimo gani.
Dili. Ito ra.
Ito.
Ano man yan. Kahit saan man ang punta yan.
Slow, slow, slow.
Slowly like me.
Ready?
So yan guys, yung mga bisita ko galing to sa ano, Japan to yung isa. Yung bana ng Tagalog doon rin yan nagtrabaho. So sa mga gustong pumunta, yan lang, PM lang kayo. Kasi maganda talaga dito, yung mga fresh air, maraming makikita mo, 360 degree. So yung number ko is 0946 69 08 984. Yan mga ka-mix.
Wow, speak again.
But it's not very
Okay.
very easy for me to go down. Going up this
For you, but
Yeah, not for me.
for me. Careful. Come. Yan.
Asan pa doon to? Asan pa doon?
Lip. So you told me about that.
Para saan naman doon?
Papunta yan sa barangay. Doon yan lalabas. Malayo yan, 3 hours.
Oh, 3 hours. What's that one?
Yeah,
That one, 3 hours.
3 hours hike.
But there, and then you need to come back, right?
Yeah.
I'm not quite sure I can do that. So we go over those two
Yeah,
and
like
then
that.
down that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
At the back of that mountain.
Toshi, are we good? Yeah. You do that?
We are going here, other side.
Other time, other day.
Anything I can follow you? Oh, it's only 9 o'clock.
Other day, other day.
Other day, okay.
3
Other
hours
day.
that means
And-
we get down just in time for lunch.
day. 3 hours from now? Maybe I'm not quite sure.
If you have a motorcycle, it's okay. You bring that.
I see.
To ride.
I'm so afraid on riding a motorcycle like this. I wouldn't be able
I
to.
used to do mountain biking like this.
Mountain bike, it's okay. Mountain bike. But
I tell you,
if
you go
you-
down the mountain like this and it's 50 kilometers an hour
50 kilometers an hour.
on a bicycle.
Bicycle.
Oh, really?
Yeah, mountain bike
Mountain bike.
in South Africa.
Oh.
I used to do mountain bike racing.
Oh.
But if you are not scared, I drive a motorcycle and you ride at the back of me. I do that. Malapit na kami guys. It's already in middle
Already middle.
way. Ah. It's very high. That mountain very high.
This one?
Yeah,
Okay. Maybe
very.
someday in the future.
Yeah,
maybe I get to finish.
it's difficult.
Yeah. Right now I'm quite good.
So yan guys, oh, yung mga ano, kilo sila dahil sa hangin. Malakas silang maglakaw. This fastest work. Yan, oh.